This is DJI Neo 2, and today I'll show how you can perform the compass normal calibration on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch the settings, then select the safety category, scroll down and look for the compass normal and the calibrate option in front of it. Now tap on this option and next follow the instructions you'll see on your screen. So first instruction is to place the aircraft on the level surface, preferably camera facing towards yourself, and start the calibration. Now rotate the aircraft 360 degrees horizontally, so it ends up in the very same point you have started from. Maybe let's do it once again. No, actually it registered. Good. Now you'll need to rotate the aircraft 360 degrees horizontally this time, so put it on its rear, I guess that's the right way to do that, and then rotate it 360 degrees this way too until the calibration registers it, and that's it. As you can see, the calibration procedure has been successful. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below, but as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.